Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to add your WhatsApp number to your Instagram profile using the Instagram app on your PC, thanks to the latest update. This is a great way to make it easier for your friends, followers, or customers to reach you directly through WhatsApp right from your Instagram bio. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you to your profile page. Next, you'll want to find the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top of your profile page. Click on it to open the editing options for your profile. Now look for the Bio section. This is where you can add a short description about yourself, your business, or anything you want your visitors to see. Click inside the Bio field to start editing. Here's where you add your WhatsApp number. Simply type your phone number exactly as you want it to appear. Make sure to include your country code so people from anywhere can reach you easily. For example, if you're in the US, you'd start with +1 followed by your number. Once you've entered your WhatsApp number in the bio, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Submit button to save your changes. That's it. Your WhatsApp number is now visible on your Instagram profile bio, making it super convenient for anyone to contact you directly. This method is quick and doesn't require linking accounts or using third-party tools. Just a few clicks, and you're done. It's perfect for influencers, small business owners, or anyone who wants to stay connected with their Instagram audience through WhatsApp. Give it a try today and make your Instagram profile more interactive and accessible. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy tech tips.